is Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam uncle.
Okay. But why Allah said this thing? That do not obey him.
Because he does not follow the Islam.
Yes, exactly. He does not follow the Islam and he is the enemy of the Islam. Means he is not in the favor of the Prophet Muhammad to accept the Islam or preach the Islam. So that's why Allah say this thing. Submissiveness. There is a word, some submissiveness. What does that word mean? What does that word means? It means that the willingness or submissiveness means you want to do something, you are willing to do that thing. Submissive is placed in the heart, not in the organs. For example, people are willing to perform salah. Okay, it's a submissiveness, it comes from the heart. For example, if some person is living alone or living far away from their family, so there is no one who can tell him to perform salah. But
Sir?
it's a submissiveness from their heart to perform salah. So it's a willingness from the heart because it's an order of Allah. No one will say them or no one will say anyone that performs salah because it's a relation between Allah and the person. But this willingness comes from the heart. When your heart says, perform salah for the sake of Allah. So submissive is placed in the heart, not in the organs, not by the body parts. Someone will say, any person go and perform salah, that person will go one time or two times. But from their heart, they are not going. So submissiveness, the willingness is done by the heart. The more you humble yourself before Allah, the more your honor will be increased. Okay? It simple means that whenever you ask, the more you ask Allah for help, the more honor, the more respect you will get in return from the Allah. So Allah says that, has there come to you the narration of the overwhelming, the day of resurrection. Some faces. So narration of the overwhelming. Overwhelming means very great in amount. The word overwhelming. The word overwhelming means a very great in amount. So has there come to you the narration of overwhelming some faces? Overwhelming means it is telling in very great detail that some faces that day will be humiliated. On which day? On the day of
Sir?
resurrection. On the day of resurrection. What is the day of resurrection? Okay, it's a day of Qiyamah. On that day, before all the dead humans will get a life. Allah will give a life to those people. It's a day of resurrection. So at that day, some faces will be humiliated, destroyed, or destructed. The word humiliated means they are destroy their dignity. Okay, so that some faces will be humiliated in the hellfire. The faces of disbelievers, the faces of Jews, the faces of Christians, as it is mentioned in this. The faces of
Sir?
disbelievers, Jews, and Christians. Yes, what happened, Ayan?
I have to write this all?
Okay, no, I add this just for the understanding. See what you have to write. You just have to write this one. I add this one for the understanding. So you have to write this one,
Okay,
this
sir.
one sentence, and this ayat because we can't change the translation. Everybody understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you guys
Sir?
can just write this one.
Yes, sir.
I add 1 or 2 points for you to explain, but you have to write this one because in the second paragraph it's a Allah saying, it's a translation. We can't change it. So everybody should write this in the practice sheet. That practice sheet which is attached with the
Sir?
course material. Yes,
Sir, your voice is double.
my voice is double. What does mean by
Yes.
this double?
That means you are talking and there's like another of the same voice coming from another mic.
Okay,
No,
everybody is
sir.
getting this voice, double voices.
No.
I am getting it only.
Sir, I'm
Okay.
getting also that voice.
Okay, maybe because of the network, sometimes if it happens, because of the network, it sometimes happens. Internet, it happens. Maybe it's a temporary issue. Maybe it's a temporary issue. After some time, it will be resolved. Sometimes it happens. Like when we are sometime making a call on the internet, so we got a distortion in the call. The noise is coming very much in the call. Sometimes it happens.
Sir,
Yes.
now the double voice is coming to me also.
Is the voice is coming clearly to everyone right now?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Getting clearly.
Okay, so
Now
you
we
guys
are
are getting
getting
the voice
clear.
clear. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so everybody is getting the voice clear. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are talking about the reverence. Reverence is the submissiveness. What is meant by the submissiveness? The submissiveness means the willingness, means the person wants to do something by heart. By heart, some person wants to do this thing. For example, praying or salah. This action comes from the heart because if person goes to salah just upon the saying of someone, so that person would perform salah one time, two time, or one day. But if that person go to salah by his heart, so that person will perform salah every time because willingness comes from the heart, not by the body parts. Organs are the body parts. Okay, so everybody should write this in the practice sheet. Are you guys writing?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I wrote it.
Okay, okay, that's great. That's good. Okay, once you guys are done, you guys can just raise the hand. Once you guys are done, just raise the hand and I will understand that you are done. So, the name of the lesson is Worship, Khashia, Inaba, and Ist- Istiania. Okay, so let's see what these are. But before going towards these words, what does Ayan read? Ayan read that Abu Huraira reported. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, there are 7 persons whom Allah will shade on a day when there is no shade. So, on the day of judgment, on the day of Qiyamah, when there is no shade, when there is no shade, and sun is very near to us, and there is no shade, then Allah will provide the shade to 7 people. So, there are 7 persons whom Allah will shade on a day. So, they are a just ruler, a young person who grew up in the worship of Allah. So, Allah is saying that a person is just ruler. Ruler is a king. A young person who grew up in the worship of Allah. The person, the child who grew up by praying Allah. And the person whose heart is attached to the mosque. The person who is attached with the masjid and the mosque, or the 2 persons who love each other and who meet and depart from each other for the sake of Allah. So, the people who like each other and they didn't meet and depart from each other for the sake of Allah. Okay, so this is the third type. So we see three persons: a person whose heart is attached towards the mosque, the masjid, the two people who love each other and they depart from each other, they leave each other just for the sake of Allah, or the person who grew up in the worshipping of Allah, by worshipping Allah. Okay, so Ashal, can you read this one?
Yes, sir. A person whose heart is attached to the
Sorry,
mosque.
what are you saying, Ashal? I didn't hear it. What are you saying?
Can you hear me?
Yes. Ashal, are you there?
Yes, sir. A man whom a beautiful woman of high status
Seduces.
Seduces, but he rejects her by saying, I fear Allah. A person who spends in charity
Conceals.
conceals is such
It. Such.
that his right hand does not know what his left hand has given. And a person who remembered Allah in private and he wept.
Okay, that's good. So I shall read that. So we see the three people. Out of seven, we see the three people. So the other ones, I shall write that a man whom a beautiful woman of high status seduces, but he rejects her by saying, I fear Allah. So a woman of higher position or a higher rank, okay, seduces a person towards herself. She is calling him towards herself, but for the sake of Allah, for the sake of Allah, for the fear of Allah, that person reject her, that I will not come to you for the sake of Allah. Okay, some beautiful woman of a high status or the high rank or as a high position call or seduces the person, but that person rejects her by saying, because of the fear of Allah, because for the sake of Allah. So, this is the fourth person. Then, a person who spends in charity and conceal
Sir?
it. So, the fifth person is a person who spends in charity, okay, and hides it. Conceal means hide it in such a way that his right hand doesn't know what his left hand has given. It means that they hide it so much neatly that even their hands doesn't know that what is given to whom. So, in the same way, it is basically also the order of Allah that give the charity in such a way that no one will aware of. Only you and that person will know whom you are giving the charity, because it's a relation between you and Allah. So Allah will give you the ajr, because if someone is expecting the reputation or the ajr from the people, then Allah will not give the blessings of those good charity works. So the person who give the charity in such a way that no one will ever know that what is given to whom, this one would be the best charity. Allah will give the shade to that person. And the next one, and a person who remembered, our sixth one, a person who remembered Allah in private and he wept. The person who remember Allah in privacy, because when we are alone, we are real. This is a fact. When we are sitting around with the people, we are not 100% real. Okay, but because we control our thoughts in front of the people by saying, by thinking. But when we are alone, we can think anything we want to think, we can say anything we want to say. So when in the private life, when the person remembers Allah, when the person is alone and remembers Allah, and that person cry that person weep because of the fear of Allah, then Allah will give the shade to that person on the day of judgment. So this is the sixth one. Where is the
Excuse me,
seventh one?
sir.
Where is the seventh one?
Excuse me, sir.
The seventh one is there because in this two people are there. See, two persons who love each other and meet but depart from each other. So these are the two people. So seven people.
Excuse me, sir.
There. Yes, what happened?
Sir, I finished the 7 and I got 2 marks.
Okay, that's good. That's good, Hassan. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
your voice is again doubling.
Maybe it's because of the network. It happens sometimes. In the previous classes, are you getting the double voice?
Sir, it's
No,
just
sir.
small double
I
Y's.
did
It's not
just
big.
haven't got one
It's not
mistake.
for a long time.
Okay. In the previous classes, are you? So in the previous classes, there is no such kind of noise.
No.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So it's maybe because of the network. It may be after this
Sir?
period or after.
Right now it is, sir.
Yes.
Right now it is good, but sometimes it's doubling.
It happens. Maybe because of the internet, it is happening because in the previous classes there is no noise. Okay. So we will see in the next
Sir?
one. Maybe it will be resolved. Okay. So we see seven people. These seven
Sir?
people will be provided the shade by the Allah. Yes, Ayan. What happened?
I did just haven't got one mistake.
Okay. Okay. So Allah
Me too.
provide the shade to seven people. What people are there? People are a young person. A young person who grew up in the worship of Allah. This is the first person. The person whose heart is attached to the mosque, towards the masjid. And then there are two persons who love each other, but they depart, they leave each other just for the sake of Allah. So four peoples are done. Then a man who reject any beautiful woman just because of the fear of Allah. So he is the fifth person. A person who spends in charity. So it's a sixth person. And the person who remember Allah in private.
Excuse me, sir.
Remember Allah in private is the seventh person. So Allah will provide them a shade at the time of the judgment because at that time the sun is very near to us. Okay, and there is no shade. Everyone will ask for the shade. Allah will provide the shade to these people. Yes, someone is saying something.
Yes, sir. I donate to poor people when I go to pray.
Sorry, what are you saying?
I donate to poor people when I go to pray.
You met four peoples when you go to pray?
Yes, I donate.
Ah, okay, okay. Okay, you donate. Okay, that's a good thing. Charity is a good thing. Charity is a good thing. Okay. So, so these are the seven peoples which can be given or provided by the shade from Allah at the day of judgment. So moving towards the next one. So Arham, can you read this one?
Okay, sir. There are many examples of
Ibadah.
abada, such as ka- kasha.
Khashia.
Khashia means to obey Allah orders and by
Abstain.
opposite
Abstain.
obtain,
Abstain.
abstains from what He has provided.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so what does Aram read? Aram read that there are many examples of ibadas. Ibadas are just a ibadat, the worship. When we go to the mosque, we are performing a ibadat. Ibadat is a word. Okay, so ibadah means many types of worship. So there are many types or many examples of worship, such as khashia. Khashia means we obey Allah. Obey means farmabardar or do all the work or rules of Allah. So, khashia means to obey Allah's order in every aspect of life, perform salah, respect parents, respect elders, okay, and by abstain from what he has prohibited. From what he, here he means the Allah, and stop him or herself, stop themselves from whatever Allah make the restrictions on those work. The work which are restricted, or the word prohibited means the things which are not allowed. Okay, the restricted things. So the person who stop themselves from those restricted works just for the sake of Allah. So that is also the ibadat. How? For example, you are walking in the ground and you see there's a cat or there is a dog sitting. So someone, there are two type of people. One type of people go, they didn't say anything to pets or the animals. But there is another type of people, they threw the stone on these animal. So this is also called the disturbance. This is a disturbance and this is not good. Okay, because the person, the human is disturbing the animal, and if that stone will hurt that animal, then person have to give answer to Allah, because the person who hurt others physically or spiritually, person have to give the answer that why you done this.
Sir,
So stopping ourselves for the wrongdoings, Allah will be happy. This is the kind of a ibadat. Yes.
also if somebody beats the animal, they will go to.
Sorry, what are you saying?
If somebody beats animals, so they will go to Jahannam,
See,
or
it depends that why they are beating. Normally, beating is not allowed in any case. You can train the
because
animals, or animals can be trained. For example, there are so many pets, you can train them, but beating is not allowed in any case. For example, just for the sake of safety, you sometimes people can kill the animal, like a snake, okay, and when
yes,
the elephant got mad, then they kill it, because those element become those animals become dangerous for the human. But beating is not allowed, because they also have a living sense, okay, because they also have a soul like a humans. So it is not
but
allowed.
they
Ultimately,
they
exactly the answer for this one, that person has to go to Jahannam or not, this is not the fact. There is a chances that the person will not go, but ultimately person have to give the answer to Allah at that time, or otherwise have to lose their good works, otherwise have to lose the good works at the time of judgment, because at that time it will be decided that who is going to go Jannah. It is decided on the basis of the good deeds, on the good works of the people.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, your voice is low.
it's maybe because of the internet. I have no idea that what is going on, but it's because of the internet. Okay, so there is a sentence: the erudite among his bondmen fear Allah alone. The word erudite, let me write the meaning. The word erudite means a having great knowledge. Having great knowledge. Then the next word we have a bondman or the bondsman. The person who is bound to rule or anything. So the person, those who have a great knowledge, the person, those who have a great knowledge, they are bound to the rule of Allah because of the fear of Allah. This statement say that the person, those who have a great knowledge of anything, of Islam, or the daily life, those people can be bound to the rule of Allah. The reason for bounding is a fear. Why we perform namaz? Why we perform the rules of Islam? Because we are Muslim. Yes, this is a reason. But there is one more reason. Ultimately, we want a happiness of Allah. We need the favor of Allah. So, because of the fear of Allah, we do all these things. Yes, we have, as a Muslim, we have a fear of Allah because Allah will ask us anything, whatever we have done. We hurt the animal, we lose anything, or we do anything wrong in the world. Allah will ask that why will you do this? And then at that time, what would we do? Or what would we say? So always have a fear. So Allah is saying that thing, the person, those who have a great knowledge, those people will be bound to the rule of Allah because of the fear of Allah. So this is the explanation of that translation. So everybody understand this thing? Did you guys understand
Yes,
this thing?
sir.
Okay. So there is an assignment. Some student already done the assignment. If you didn't do the assignment, then open the assignment, do the assignment. The time of the period is finished. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Okay. So
I did the assignment and got full mark.
okay, that's
Sir,
good.
I also did.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. Okay.